Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Blake, and I decided to bring you guys along with me tonight while I cook some dinner. If you saw my last video, you might have seen that I broke my vlogging camera, so we are on my GoPro right now, so I can't see if I'm even in the shot right now. I think I am. I've got like a mirror setup thing to try and like stay in shot, but it is a GoPro. I'm not sure how great the audio is gonna be, but you know what? You gotta make do until I get my new camera in the mail. So tonight, like I said, I decided to bring you guys along while I cooked some dinner. I know I get a lot of motivation from other YouTubers when I see them cook dinner, and I just thought it would be a fun, simple video for you guys. So tonight we are going to do a whole roasted chicken. That is a recipe out of Magnolia Tables Volume 2 cookbook, and it's a pretty simple recipe. I have made it before, but it's a very good cold night, which tonight is cold. We had I think it was like 15 this morning. Oh, it was freezing. And so a nice warm hot chicken dinner sounds delicious. Here is the recipe. I will have her cookbook listed below, so if you want to purchase this so that you can make this yourself, then by all means. And then here are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. She does say tricolor carrots and tricolor potatoes, but these are what we had on hand. She also says broccolini, but they didn't have any broccolini at the store. We like broccoli, so there you go. And then obviously your whole chicken. I just put it in a bowl for right now to keep the juices everywhere. So this is all the ingredients you are going to need. So without wasting any time, it is 4 o'clock. I need to get this in the oven, so let's get cooking. So I'm not the biggest fan of whole potatoes, but I don't mind them cut up. So that's the only reason I'm cutting them up. The recipe does not suggest you cutting them up or anything. It's just a personal preference. We've got going so far. Oh, if you could smell this. All right, so it says to stir and then cook for a minute. So this is what it looks like when I put it into the oven for the first 35 minutes. I recommend using 2 hands next time, you guys. Oh, that was heavy. There we are. Alright, so that is going to cook for 35 minutes. Then I will take it out. I will add the chopped up broccoli, which I still have to do. And I will add more of the lemon wine sauce that we made. So right now I'm just gonna get dinner picked up, do some dishes, get the house picked up, and then I'll come back to you guys in about 34 minutes now. After 35 minutes, you turn the oven down to, and then you open it up. That's what we're looking at. Ooh, we're steaming. Add your broccoli in. All right, you guys, here is the final result. Roasted chicken looks delicious. All right, you guys, we are all done with dinner. I hope you enjoyed that little cook with me video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it really supports my channel. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss many more videos in the future. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye, guys.